Blah. I told y'all in that video the tire. Well, I'm gonna be working on it today. See this piece of crap? I ain't even on it. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of me working on it. So like, comment, and subscribe. And bye. I hope y'all like that time lapse. I had y'all right there. Well, here's a little thing. I might put y'all back on the time lapse, but hopefully it does good. Put in the comments like y'all do it. Like it took me about, it feels like an hour to do it. It's like 40, it was like an hour of just like doing that, and it was like 44 seconds of me taking that thing apart. So, well, here's a little thing I was talking about that y'all couldn't see because it was time lapse. See, that's the patch. It's aired up, but I'm losing air. So I will get back to y'all in a time lapse. So like, comment, and subscribe, and bye. Crap. Don't look, I ain't gonna have duck around Friday. There's like a hole in it. There's like lots of holes right in it actually. There's like bubbles everywhere. At least I get to watch me do this. That's the fun part. Like, comment, and subscribe. There ain't gonna be no duck around Friday. I ain't really gonna be no dirt bike videos. I just give y'all updates of me doing stuff with it, like managing it and tightening the brakes. And I'm gonna tighten the brakes. No, it can't be tomorrow. Man, it is Friday too. That was gonna be no duck around Friday. Sorry, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. I may put a time lapse of me putting this thing back together, and there goes Kit Kat. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry. And she loves the water. Bye-bye.